Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need an Azure subscription and a resource group ready, so you can move fast. Once logged into the Azure Portal, choose Create a Resource, then Logic App and pick Consumption or Standard. Pick Consumption for event-driven, Standard for local workflows. Enter a descriptive name, select the target subscription and region, and choose or create a resource group. Make sure you select the correct plan and pricing tier, because that determines runtime behavior and costs. Then click Review Plus, Create to continue. Now you build the workflow. Start with a trigger, HTTP request, recurrence, or an event, and then add actions from connectors. When you add a connector, authenticate immediately. Use Service Principal or OAuth where possible. Configure action inputs, outputs, expressions, and retry policy for idempotency. If you need secrets, enable system-assigned managed identity and grant it access to key vault or storage. Once your steps are chained and conditions set, validate and save, then prepare to test the workflow end-to-end. Save the workflow and trigger a test, either manually or with the expected event. Once executed, Open runs history to inspect inputs, outputs, duration, and any failed actions. Use live metrics and diagnostic logs for deeper telemetry. Make sure to set up alerts and retention for logs if you need long-term auditing. If deployment is complete, enable continuous deployment or ARM template export. Troubleshooting tip: if something fails, verify connector authentication and managed identity permissions first. Then replay the failed run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.